ahead. All right. Wow, what a beautiful view it is to see a full house show. Ladies and gentlemen, good morning. Where's the energy? Good morning, everybody. Come on. Well, looking at all the, I think majority people are Gen Zs, but others are not even less. I want some energy. This is a big day for all of us. Ladies and gentlemen, we are here at the stunning NSC atrium to witness a history being created. It's a big day for all of us. Let's begin this morning with a thunderous round of applause. Once again, good morning and a very, very warm welcome on behalf of YAP Digital Limited and National Stock Exchange of India Limited. I'm your host, Mayuri Malankar, and it gives me immense pleasure in extending a warm and a hearty welcome to each one of you present here. Today, we are here to witness not just another corporate milestone, but 10 years in making. 10 years of vision, 10 years of grit, 10 years of, making everything new and inventing something new every day. Ladies and gentlemen, above all that, 10 years, we have kept unshakable belief in, that India could build something truly of its own. So ladies and gentlemen, today we are celebrating hard work, passion, persistence, and the courage to challenge the status quo. For the founders, for the team, for the partners, for everyone who's present here, for all our stakeholders who believed in this journey, today is a monumental. Before we proceed, I would like to thank everybody for taking out time from the busy schedule and being a part of this celebration. And now let's unite in the spirit of pride and patriotism, requesting everybody to kindly rise for the national anthem.
जनगणमन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उज्जल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जनगण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
Jai Hind. Ladies and gentlemen, YAP began with bold and perhaps even audacious idea to build India's first truly homegrown agency network. Not imported, not franchised, not borrowed from a global playbook, but built from the group up and in India for India and beyond. Today, YAP stands tall as one of the country's finest digital marketing companies, powered by its proprietary 3D model of design, discovery, and distribution, operating at the powerful intersection of content, media, and influence. From delivering transformative success for global and international brands like Adani Group, Dubai Tourism, NPCI, IndusInd Bank, ITC, and many more, to being named Independent Agency of the Year. 2 consecutive years, YAP has consistently redefined excellence. It's been certified as a great place to work for 5 consecutive years and happiest place to work for 2. This is a company that builds brand and builds people. The philosophy has been always simple and relentless, built for now. And now, ladies and gentlemen, it's time to welcome all our dignitaries who have been a part of this celebration. I will request them to kindly stand up and say hello to everybody who's present here. Let's begin with our host. Please put your hands together for Mr. Krishnan Iyer, Senior Vice President, NSC. Hello and warm welcome to you, sir. Please put your hands together for Mr. Atul Hegde, everybody, the Chairman and Managing Director of YAP Digital Limited. With the same energy and excitement, let's welcome Mr. Sudhir Menon, Chairman and Managing Director of Dop Cattle Chemicals, Director of YAP. Warm welcome to you, sir. Put your hands together for Mr. Manan Kapoor, Senior Partner, YAP Digital Limited. Put your hands together for Mr. Anjan Roy, Senior Partner, YAP Digital Limited. Join me as I welcome Mr. Anup Kumar, Senior Partner, YAP Digital Limited. Let's welcome the most important person in this entire journey. Without our book running lead managers, this would have not been this easy. Put your hands together for Ms. Kritika Rubda, co-founder of Socrates Capital Private Limited. Let's welcome Mr. Jay Sheth, Director of Socrates Capital Private Limited. Is there? And now I would like to invite all our dignitaries on the stage for the ceremonial lamp lighting. In our Indian tradition, we always begin the auspicious moment, the important events with the lamp lighting. It's like inviting the devotees and grace the occasion. May I invite on the stage Mr. Krishnan Iyer, Ms. Avantika Behl, Ms. Khushbu Sharma, Karen D'Souza, Kinjal Davda, Rachel Muscata, Ms. Kritika Rubda, and Mr. Jay Sheth.
वक्रतुण्ड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभ
वक्रतुण्ड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभ
निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा
निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा.
Let's take one group photo. I would like to elaborate this moment. दिए की जोत ऊपर की ओर उठती है, दिए का ये स्वभाव है. हमारे द्वारा शुरू किया हुआ कार्य हमेशा इसी तरह ऊपर की ओर बढ़ता रहे, अग्रसर हो. इस प्रार्थना के साथ, इस भावना के साथ हर शुभ काम की शुरुआत जो है वो हम दीप प्रज्वलन से करते हैं. It's a very important day for all of us. Thank you everyone for gracing the occasion. You may now take your seat. And now let's experience the spirit of this extraordinary journey through an audio visual. Can we please have an AV?
We are YAP. That was kind of fast, right? Well, that's how we
Roll. We are YAP, a new age specialized content company that brings together data, technology, and content under one.
Unified structure, our 3D philosophy, design, discovery, and distribution helps us ensure
growth. It took us 2 years to reach $3 million in revenue, and now we are adding $3 million every 2 months. How? Because we are
Built for now. Now means moving smartly from pure programmatic to full-fledged media agency.
Now means using AI and data for content and adding tech to influencer marketing.
Now means branding, packaging, trading IPs, all the way till
UI UX. Our latest offering helps us unleash the magic of user psyche to build commerce at scale. It has a lot to do with our
YAP Ivy. From just 3 of us when we started.
We grew to 125 plus employees across 6 offices in India.
Hey, and the Middle East.
as the company grew, so did we. I started as an intern, and now I'm director of strategy. That's because
we got rid of bureaucracy. Small independent teams take full ownership of their projects and everyone acts like an owner, which is why
we've been a great place to work 3 years in a row.
and the happiest place to work. It reflects in our work and our clients. From just 2 brands in 2016, we have now worked with over 300 brands.
To sum it up, we're an unstoppable army of passionate creative marketers
who work with global, national, and local clients.
And we make every moment count. We are YAP. We are Built for Now.
What a journey, what a vision, and what a statement. From ambition to achievement, from idea to institution, and now India's most prestigious exchange. I think you all deserve a thunderous round of applause for this. Come on, everybody. And now, as I said, the book running lead managers play a pivotal role in the guiding a company through regulatory frameworks, investor confidence, and market readiness, acting as a strategic bridge between ambition and the capital markets. We need to know the entire journey. And for the same, I would like to invite on the stage the co-founder of Socratimus Capital Private Limited, Ms. Kritika Rubda. Let's welcome her with a big round of applause.
Good morning, everyone. Atul, I'm going to take 3 minutes, Pura, because I'm going to speak on behalf of me and Priyesh both. So it's a privilege and a proud moment for Socratimus to be present here today as the lead manager for the listing of YAP on the Emerge platform of National Stock Exchange of India Limited. A listing ceremony is always a special milestone, not only for the company, but also for everyone who has been part of the journey, from the founders and employees to the advisors, investors, and partners who have supported the company along the way. Today marks an important transition for YAP as it enters the public markets and begins a new chapter of growth and accountability. YAP represents a new generation of Indian company that are building technology-driven platforms for the digital economy. In a world where brands increasingly rely on digital engagement, content creators, and data-led marketing strategies, YAP has built a platform that combines creative storytelling, influencer ecosystems, performance marketing, and AI-powered marketing technologies to help brands connect with consumers in a more meaningful and measurable way. What makes YAP particularly exciting is that it is not just another marketing services company. It's building a scalable technology-enabled marketing platform from India for global markets. In many ways, we believe YAP has the potential to emerge as the next Dentsu of India, creating a globally relevant marketing and technology platform originating from this country. At Socratimus, it has been a privilege to work closely with the promoters and management team throughout this IPO journey. Preparing a company for the public markets requires rigorous preparations, strong governance standards, and a clear articulation of the company's long-term vision. From structuring the transaction to positioning the company effectively to the investment community and successfully executing the book building process, the journey has been both collaborating and rewarding. We would also like to express our sincere appreciation to the anchor investors who participate in the offering. Their strong participation and early confidence in YAP played an important role in building momentum for the issue and demonstrated the investment community's belief in the company's growth potential. We are equally grateful to the broader investor community whose participation reflects the market's confidence in YAP's business model, its leadership team, and the long-term growth of the digital marketing and creator economy in India. I would also like to take this opportunity to thank the National Stock Exchange of India for providing a platform that enables companies like YAP to access capital markets and pursue structured growth. And congratulations, Atul, other promoters, management team, employees, and shareholders of YAP Digital Limited for reaching the important milestone. Listing on the exchange is not the end of the journey, it's the beginning of the new phase of growth, responsibility, and value creation. I want to further acknowledge our entire team for their dedicated work across the preparations, diligence, and marketing and execution stages, starting from Sakshi, Kush, Radhika, Amit, Pratna, Bhavin, Lagvi, and other members of the team. At Socratimus, our vision is to uphold high standards, deliver focused advisory, and support India's emerging business as they transit to the public markets. We aim to be a trusted partner for SMEs and a catalyst for the financial growth and market expansion. Thank you, team, for executing this vision. On behalf of Socratimus, we wish YAP continued success as it embarks on this journey as a publicly listed company. Thank you, and Jai Hind.
Well, thank you so much, Kritika. And now, ladies and gentlemen, I would like to invite our next speaker on the stage. We call him a silent strength and a guiding light of our organization. He's a man behind the scenes who turned YAP's IPO vision into today's reality. With decades of business leadership and an instinct for spotting transformative potential, Mr. Sudhir has been the steady hand that shaped YAP's strategic foundation from the ground up. His belief in the team long before the world took notice is a quiet force that continues to drive everything forward. Without further ado, let's welcome him on the stage to express his feelings on this special day. Please welcome Mr. Sudhir Menon, Chairman, Managing Director of Dove Kettle Chemicals and the Director of YAP.
Thank you, everybody. I'm not going to take too much time, but I'd like to say that this journey has been very fulfilling, personally and professionally for me. And today, as we list, we want to realize the importance of capital, growth capital as well as human capital. Growth capital is what we are listing the company for to enable growth. And human capital is what will build our organization into a stronger and a larger company than we are today. The other thing that I would like to mention is, as an organization, we have always worked towards gaining trust of employees, trust of customers, and trust of investors. And we will continue on the same path and not let that trust down. We have very definitive plans about how we will use capital for growth. Various acquisitions, and acquisitions will be in the areas of technology, will be in areas of customers, will be in areas of geography, which will help us all grow in a manner that will be very rewarding. And we expect to do multiple of millions, as Atul was saying in his ad, that yes, we'll add millions every month, maybe not every 2 months. Thank you, everybody. Thanks for coming and cheering out for us.
Thank you so much, Mr. Menon. Ladies and gentlemen, it's time to hear from the visionary, the risk taker, the believer, who dared to say India can build its own agency network, the man who turned bold ambition into market reality. Please join me as I welcome the man of the moment, the phenomenal and the one and only Mr. Atul Hegde. Come on, everybody. The Chairman and the Managing Director of YAP Digital Limited.
How's everybody feeling? First of all, a big thank you to everyone for making it here. Early morning, I think by 8:45, everyone was here. So big thank you from me and the entire team at YAP. So this has been 10 years in the making, but I say 10 years too soon, right? I mean, we just wanted to build a company that all of us would be happy to show up every morning, right? And along the way, we got more and more people joining us. There was never a dream of an IPO when we started off. It was really about saying that let's build something that we will be proud of to begin with. And if we are proud about it, then slowly everybody will either join us, become part of this journey. And that's exactly how it happened. It's amazing to think of that in this sector, a 125,000 crore sector is probably the only sector in India that is dominated by foreign players. I mean, if you look at the agency side of the business, almost 90% of it is dominated by foreign players. Nowhere in the world do we have a situation like this. All these companies were built, American giants were built on American companies, French networks in our business were built on the back of French companies, and so on and so forth. Japanese companies worked only with Japanese agencies. Now is the time when Indian companies go global. for them to realize that they need a strong Indian partner. And we believe this is really the time for companies like Yap, and there will be many more like us in the next decade, that's going to change the shape of Indian advertising, led by cutting-edge digital marketing services. And a decade from now, I'm sure we'll be standing here, a much larger organization with a far more dominant market share, and Indian companies will be proud to work with companies like us. You know, this is really a moment to take stock and most importantly, be grateful. You know, we've had so many people that have been part of this journey, all the Yappers across all our offices from Southeast Asia to India to the Middle East. A big thank you to all of you. Most of you all are here, some of you all are watching it online. So big thank you. It's because of you that this day is possible. Big thank you to my mentor and brother Sudhir, you know, who actually pushed me into first becoming an entrepreneur almost a decade back, and 2-3 years back, he's the person who put this germ of an idea saying that at some point Yap should tap the capital markets, and here we are. So big thank you for this. Thank you to my partners, Manan Kapoor, who was with us from day zero. I had just told him about this as an idea and he was on. So big thank you for that. Anjan Roy and Anup Kumar, founders who decided to merge their companies with us and continue being with us for almost a decade now. So big thank you to you guys. Raj Naik, who's been a guiding light for us. You know, he came into the Yap journey only a couple of years back, but looks like he's been with us from day one. Thank you, Raj, for all your guidance and support. Thank you, Kritika. Priyesh is not here. I think Socratimus has been an excellent support for us. You know, when a young company like us gets into an IPO journey, there's a lot of things that we don't know. You know, and you need a partner like them who handhold you and take you through this journey. I see Anurag has just come here. Anurag, thank you so much. You've always supported Indian companies in this sector. Continue doing that. A big shout out to you and for all your support that you've done. And I'm very proud that we are actually going to be listing at the National Stock Exchange, who happen to be one of our marquee clients. So it's a great feeling. So again, thank you everyone, the entire team. I just want to leave you guys with words of a very young colleague of mine. And she said that, you know, listing is not a victory lap, right? It is actually a launch pad to do much more. And that's exactly what we are here to do for. Thank you so much.
Well, I could see the pride, the happiness, and the tears of joy in almost everyone's eyes when Mr. Hegde was speaking. Thank you and all the best to you, sir. With this, we have a few more minutes. I would like to invite on the stage the driving force behind our biggest wins and the towering force for every member of this team. The speaker coming next is the engine behind our mega clients, transforming Yap into true content, influencer, and tech powerhouse. Where others see challenges, he sees momentum, and that synergy, that energy is felt across every office, every win, and every milestone. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm sure you must have guessed whom I'm talking about. Please put your hands together for Mr. Manan Kapoor, Senior Partner at Yap Digital. Come on, everybody.
Thanks a lot, everybody. Thanks a lot for coming. I've been given a strict timeline of 3 minutes. I'll take that. Good morning, and thanks a lot again for coming. When I think about where we are today, this all never started in a boardroom. This started in a coffee shop where we sketched the idea over a tissue paper. And this actually was where we thought about this whole part. Whenever I introduce myself as Y0001. Actually, that's my employee code. And that's where we started. Actually, started while way before that, where the idea wasn't there, the name of YAP never existed, and the thoughts and the business and the people never existed. And today, actually, is a very, very special day. Exactly 10 years ago, someone trusted us. We got our first purchase order of the company today only. And that's actually what changed everything. Someone trusted us, and we took this trust ahead and built something large enough for us to stand here. So thanks a lot, everyone. And another thing, I feel that compounding is not only a factor of investments, it's also a factor of efforts, trust, and showing up every day. YAP is actually us all showing up every day, building something from ground zero, and that's what YAP stands for. So thank you for our clients who trusted us, believed in us, and gave us the liberty to build something. Thank you to our families who took up the time to miss the moments, the vacations, and the big opportunities that we were trying to build. Thank you to the partners. Anup, thanks a lot. Thank you for being the brother. Thank you for being my sounding board. Thanks, Anjan, for the wise one-liners, the wise pointers. Thanks, Sudhir, for always standing by us. I know you had bigger fishes to fry, but he always stood by us as a mentor. Thank you, Atul, for believing in me, writing that tissue paper down. I always believed if, in hindsight, I had that tissue paper, I would have framed it, but that tissue paper never had the IPO dream. What we have achieved today is bigger than that. And yes, today, IPO is the headline, but the journey is now about YAP, about building India's largest homegrown network, and to put in simply word, to build YAP as one of the networks that carries India's legacy in India and globally. Thank you, everyone, for being a part of this journey. Thank you. Thanks a lot. The journey has just started. Thank you. Thank you, guys.
Thank you so much, sir. Thanks a lot. That's why I think you are called Mr. Perfectionist. It's 9:58, ladies and gentlemen. The moment we all have been eagerly waiting for is finally here. The moment where YAP Digital will get officially listed on the prestigious National Stock Exchange. I would like to invite our dignitaries on the stage, beginning with Mr. Krishnan Iyer, Mr. Atul Hegde, Mr. Sudhir Menon, Mr. Manan Kapoor, Mr. Anjan Roy, Mr. Anup Kumar, Mr. Suraj Nadungadi, Mr. Priyesh, sorry, he's not present here, Ms. Kritika Rubda, Mr. Jayesh Sheth. It's 9:58. Shortly, the countdown will begin. You all will have to join me for last 10 seconds, everybody. So the countdown has started. Please follow the countdown about the gong, everybody. 52 seconds to go. Are you guys excited? Yes? Can I hear some noise? Everybody, come on. Some claps, some shouts, some whistles. Come on, everybody. We are slowly approaching that golden moment where YAP Digital is going to get officially listed on NSE. 32 seconds to go, everybody. Let's gather all the energy that you have. We have live cameras behind, so please do not cross it. 25 seconds to go. You all have to give me a countdown with me for last 10 seconds. Please follow the countdown, the timer about the gong. It's 15 seconds to go. Let's get ready for the final one. Everybody, 10, 9, louder, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Congratulations. heartiest congratulations to the entire YAP team. The history has been created. The new chapter begins today. What a beautiful moment, everybody. What a beautiful moment. I think तालियां बजती रहनी चाहिए, गूंजनी चाहिए पूरे एट्रियम में. Come on. Congratulations, guys. I will request to stay back. Yes, we want to take one more photo. We would like to take one more photo with YAP employees. May I request the entire YAP team to join us on the stage for a group photo? Guys, you have to come little closer. Thoda sa. Photographer, please guide. You want someone to kneel down? Some of you can kneel down. Yeah, please, so that everybody will be visible. Well, as I said, the history has been created, the new journey has begun. This journey is filled with promise, possibilities, and performance. So congratulations. Yes, on the congratulations. I will request all of you to stay back, and may I invite Mr. Krishnan Iyer on the stage to present the special listing memento to YAP Digital. Stay back, stay back, stay back. So, presenting a special listing memento as a congratulatory gesture to Mr. Hegde. Come on everybody, make some noise. Presenting the listing certificate. Welcome to NSE, sir. Next, we would like to present the proud to be listed badges for everybody who is present here. And this is a coffee table book. Thank you. Mr. Krishnan Iyer, I will request you to present another memento to our merchant bankers. May I request Ms. Kritika Rubna, please come forward. Mr. Jay Sheth. And we have one more surprise for Mr. Hegde, so requesting all of you to stay back. Mr. Iyer, here we have a surprise for the entire YAP team, especially for Mr. Hegde. So guys, this is the instant photo frame of the listing ceremony. We will get a lot of pictures and videos later, but this instant photo frame will be a memory forever, sir. A proud feeling every day that you'll get while seeing this photo on your desk. Congratulations. Thank you everybody. We will continue with the photos later. We would like to take a quick photo, we can take, but for now, I'll request all of you to settle down. Thank you everyone.
Sorry, I'm just hijacking this for 30 seconds. In my excitement and nervousness, I forgot to thank the most important people in my life. My family, my dad is here. All of 84 and is here. Shauna, my wife, who's been the silent supporter. My mom, who's watching back home. And my in-laws. There's Sam, Pri, my entire gang here from Dimple, Archie, Millie. Thank you so much. Anuj, Nitesh, Ankita, thank you so much for being part of this.
I must say, what a wonderful team you have, sir, at home and at office as well. You have a perfect life. Thank you, congratulations. And with this, ladies and gentlemen, it's my privilege of inviting our host for the day to address the gathering. Please put your hands together for Mr. Krishnan Iyer, Senior Vice President, Products, Relationship and Business Development at NSE.
Shri Atul Hegde, Chairman and Managing Director, YAP Digital Limited, Shri Sudhir Menon, Non-Executive Director, Shri Subodh Menon, Non-Executive Director, Shri Priyesh Jain and Kritika Rubda, Director, Socradamus, and other dignitaries, employees, friends, family members. Good morning and a very warm welcome to you for the listing ceremony of YAP Digital Limited. NSE is proud to welcome YAP Digital Limited to our family of listed corporates, and this will be the 717th company to be listed on the NSE Emerge platform. The total market capitalization of NSE Emerge listed companies has crossed 222,000 crores, and the total funds raised by all the companies listed on the Emerge platform is around 22,000 crores till date. And from today onwards, YAP Digital Limited will be an integral part of this family. India is the fourth largest capital market in the world after US, China, and Japan, and India's market capitalization has grown 120 times from the time NSE started its operations in 1994, which stands at about 445.6 lakh crores, which is approximately US 4.83 trillion. NSE has over 12 crore unique registered investors, having over 23 crore accounts, reaching 99.9% of all the PIN codes in the country. This covers 20% of all the households in India directly investing in the capital markets today. It is a testament to India's entrepreneurial spirit and the trust its people have in its entrepreneurs. The IPO of YAP Digital Limited, with an issue size of 80.11 crores, garnered a very strong response, and I congratulate the entire team of YAP Digital Limited, the merchant bankers, Socradamus Capital Private Limited, and other parties associated with this IPO for their accomplishment. Today's successful listing is a testimony of their efforts. At NSE, we are committed to facilitating fundraising opportunities for all upcoming organizations to chart their growth stories and to make capital markets more accessible. We hope that today's successful listing of YAP Digital Limited will inspire many more companies to look at public markets as a promising alternative. We once again welcome YAP Digital Limited to NSE, and we hope that with this listing today, it's a strong partnership between us, and we're looking forward to supporting you in all your future fundraising endeavors. Thank you, and Jai Hind.
Thank you, sir, for your encouraging words and support. Ladies and gentlemen, may I now request Mr. Anjan Roy, Senior Partner at YAP Digital, to join us on the stage. Our brand building guru, a strategic visionary, an entrepreneur at heart. He's a silent craftsman behind some of India's largest brands. Please welcome him with a big round of applause.
Thank you, everyone. Good morning, and thank you for coming here, being with us, sharing our special day with us, the entire YAP family, from the very youngest member who's here to be with us. Some of us here have actually been together before there was YAP, before we had a name, before we had a logo, before we had a website. But we had something that we all share even today. There was a belief, there was a kind of passion that we have to do something interesting, we have to do something fresh, we have to do something that gets conversation started, and that somewhere resulted in us being called YAP. Today, as we are here, we are 10 years old. We've had our share of a few vaccinations along the way, and they've made us stronger, they've built our immunity system. One of the things that has really held us in good stead for all these years is that I think we really nailed our culture from day one. We had the right spirit of people who we identified, and even today when we meet people, we are now at a cycle of where we've completed 10 years. There are people who've left us along the way, and a lot of them are now coming back to us saying that, can we do something together? And I think that's a sign that you've actually built something which people miss. And that culture is something which is a very, very strong foundation that YAP continues to build even today. It's a lot of, very ephemeral things, like some people call it a vibe, some people call it a environment. It's not something you can put in a slide. It's not something you can write on a piece of paper, but it's just something that you feel. And it's like a lot of things that it's not about egos. It's not about having a chip on your shoulder. But yeah, the chips are confined to the vending machines in our offices, which also is a very important part of our culture. And when there is a YAP office on the moon, it will still be guaranteed to have the best collection of snacks and hydration solutions. That's a very, very important part of our culture. The other thing that we have, which is another part of our foundation, is this audacious ambition to succeed beyond where we think we can go. And this has, again, been there from day one. Not just to behave like the underdog, but to actually believe that you can punch way beyond your weight and to come out as a winner. And that has led to the tremendous amount of success that we've seen in the last 10 years. The third aspect that Atul talked about, that all of us kind of understand, is that we are in a very, very fast-growing environment. The market is growing. We are growing at a very healthy pace. So we've got the culture in place. We've got the ambition and the success and the purpose in place, and we are part of a very, very successful category. And I think this is the time for us to now start looking forward to many, many more meaningful conversations going forward. So thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. Ladies and gentlemen, our next speaker is known as a media magic. From global programmatic campaign to flawless performance marketing, he is the entrepreneur and a silent force ensuring our clients always achieve peak results. His deep expertise across digital ecosystem means that every media money spent works harder, smarter, and further, delivering outcomes that truly move the needle. Please put your hands together, everyone, for none other than Mr. Anup Kumar, Senior Partner at Yap Digital, to address the gathering.
Respected guests, colleagues, friends, and all the stakeholders, and everyone watching us online, good morning, namaskar. Standing here today feels deeply personal. 10 years ago, YAP started with a simple conviction, build for what's next, but not what was comfortable. Actually, there are a lot of startup people who have achieved things early. I started when I was 41, so it's been a decade. So I just want to tell people that there's no better late than never. So देर आए दुरुस्त आए, बुढ़ापे में अकल आ जाती है. So I am very happy and very proud of my journey. And thank you, Atul and Sudhir, for your vision, because that gave us the blueprint for what's next, which enabled people like me, Manan, Anjan, to build onto that and build YAP and take it to the next level. And above all, YAP is here because of a team that refuses to bow down. They are not following the pace of the digital shift, but actually they have been outpacing it. And by fusing technology, data, and creativity, we have been able to connect brands with the consumer in a way no other agency can do. And I am incredibly proud of the YAP group which we have built together, and to all the partners and clients and every YAPer who has trusted us and enabled us. And I would like to say thank you, everyone. This IPO is a great testament and a proud milestone, but we didn't come this far to settle. Actually, we came this far to scale. We have built YAP for now, but it's time now we begin building it for future and forever. Thank you all for being part of this Shubh Muhurat. Dhanyavad.
And now it's time to appreciate the efforts of all those who have been a part of this journey. We're going to start with NSE, but to present the same, I would like to invite on the stage Mr. Raj Nayak, Founder and Managing Director of House of Cheer Networks. May I please invite him on the stage to present the memento. Hello, sir. Please welcome. So the first memento goes to National Stock Exchange of India Limited. May I please request Mr. Krishnan Iyer to join us on the stage to receive the honor. Thank you. Raj, sir, please stay back with us. Next, we present the memento to Team Socratimus. May I request Ms. Kritika Rupda, Sakshi Garg, Radhika Malpani, Amit Pathak, and Pratana Narang, all of them to join us on the stage. First, we are presenting to Ms. Kritika. May I request Mr. Amit to join us on the stage. Next, Sakshi. Amit, please stay back. We have a group photo later. Come this side. Radhika. Radhika. And Pratna. Sakshi. Let's take one group photo. Let's take one group photo, please. Thank you. I'll request Mr. Raj to stay back with us. Next, we would like to present the memento to our independent directors. May I request Ms. Vandana Mekani and Mr. Jagdish Babu Bota to join us on the stage. Thank you. One more. Next, we would like to present the memento to Dom Ketel. May I request the team to join us on the stage? Mr. Mitesh, Mr. Rajdeep, Mr. Gaurav, Dipshika, and Mahima. All of you, one by one, please join us on the stage, beginning with Mr. Mitesh. Next one goes to Rajdeep. Next one goes to Gaurav. Rajdeep, please come this side. Next one goes to Dipshika. Please. Thank you. Let's take one group photo with the entire team. Yes, thank you so much. Thanks a lot. Thank you, Mr. Raj. To present the next set of award, may I please invite on the stage Mr. Ahmed Naqvi, co-founder of Gozu. Warm welcome to you, sir. The first one goes to MUFG in time, Mr. Ashok Shetty. Thank you. Next one goes to Team Kotak, Mr. Anurag Jaiswal and Ms. Priya Mehta. Next one goes to Doon and Bradstreet. May I request Mr. Vishal Mehta to join us on stage. Mr. Vishal Mehta, is he here? Is not here. Let's move on to the next one. Mr. Akash Rangari from CRISIL. Thank you so much, Mr. Ahmed, for being with us. To present the next set of award, may I request Mr. Rohan Bhanushali, co-founder of Girls Group, to join us on the stage. Next award goes to DM Jain and Company. May I request Mr. Dinesh Jain and Nikhil Raut to join us on the stage with a big round of applause. Mr. Dinesh Jain and Mr. Nikhil Raut. Let's take one group photo with the entire team. Next one goes to Shweta Jain and Company LLP. May I request Ms. Priyanka Jaju and Ms. Shweta Jain to join us on the stage. May I request Ms. Priyanka Jaju to come forward. Next one goes to Shweta Jain. Thank you. Next one goes to Nishant Bajaj and Associates. May I request Mr. Nishant Bajaj to join us on the stage. Thank you. Next one goes to Team Yap. May I request Ms. Shamil Madhvi, Shivani Tiwari, Shivam Dwivedi, Daryl Fernandez, Ajay Sharma, Nandalal Bharadwaj to kindly join us on the stage. Mr. Shamil Madhvi, Ms. Shamil Madhvi. Mr. or Miss? Next one goes to Shivani Tiwari. Next one to Shivam Dwivedi. Next one to Daryl Fernandez. Next one goes to Ajay Sharma. And Nandlal Bharadwaj. Thank you and congratulations to everybody. Thank you so much. So you may now take your seat. And now to formally conclude this ceremony, thank you. So before we conclude, I would once again like to invite on the stage Mr. Atul Hegde to say a few words.
Thank you, everybody. Before I hand it over to Kritika for the vote of thanks, thank you again. Heartfelt thanks. Also wanted to make a special announcement. A huge welcome to Team Gozoop into our family. They're all here. It's our absolute privilege to have founders like Ahmed and Rohan now part of our family. Really looking forward to a very, very exciting times ahead. Thank you again, everyone.
And now to formally conclude this ceremony, may I please invite on the stage Ms. Anushri Patil, Deputy Manager, Socrates Capital. Please welcome her with a round of applause.
Hi everyone, good morning. As we come close to the memorable ceremony, it is a privilege to propose the vote of thanks on behalf of YAP Digital Limited and Socrates Capital Private Limited. First and foremost, we would like to express our sincere gratitude to NSE for hosting this wonderful ceremony and providing companies like YAP with a world-class platform in access of the public market. Also, the entire NSE team for their support, coordination, and efforts in making today's ceremony possible. Next, coming to our anchor investors, wider investor community, for this strong participation and confidence in YAP's vision and future growth. Your trust has played a very important role in making this offer successful. Next, coming to thanks to all our promoters, leadership team, and the entire YAP team, whose hard work, creativity, and dedication have built the company in what it is today. Coming next to a special thanks for appreciation to Team Socrates for their relentless efforts in executing this transaction and guiding the company throughout the IPO journey. We would also like to acknowledge the invaluable contributions of our legal advisors, auditors, registrars, bankers, and all the intermediaries for their tireless behind the scenes to ensure a successful completion of the offering. Finally, we would like to thank all the distinguished guests, partners, and well-wishers who have joined us today. With this, we conclude today's ceremony and look forward for the exciting journey ahead of YAP Digital Limited as it begins a next chapter as a listed company. Congratulations and thank you, everyone. Good day.
Thank you so much. And with this, we conclude the listing ceremony here. Thank you so much, everybody, for being a part of this celebration. One last time, let's give a big round of applause to YAP. Come on, everybody. And those who have received the trophies, please join us for the breakfast. And do not forget to collect the boxes for the trophies. The breakfast is served right inside the pre-function area, which is just on the right-hand side of the stage and left-hand side of yours. You can join us for the photos. With this, Anchor Mayuri Malankar signing off. Have a wonderful day ahead.